think Bollywood is a soft target in case of like when someone wants to give an opinion, people just bounce on the Bollywood people instead of other people, with reference to what happened recently?
What happened recently?
Like the Yaqub Menon case, in which Salman Khan tweeted and then all the political parties attacked him.
See, I'll tell you what. Every person can have an opinion, should have an opinion, and that opinion should be respected. Maybe it can be with popular sentiments, cannot be popular. That doesn't really matter. I think it's a wonderful country that we live in, and the wonderful democracy that we live in. What Salman tweeted was very clear, what he said. And rightfully so, when he took all his tweets back, he realized that in the kind of world that we live in right now, with social media, with people reacting to it, and the point is that most of the people have reacted to the tweets without understanding them, and hence creating a lot of misunderstanding and propagating that. So he took those tweets back saying, I think there's a lot of misunderstanding going around with my tweets. I take it back. And he also said that he respected the judiciary, and rightfully so. So yes, many a times, the only problem with social media is that people react prematurely without understanding. And then the debates start whether this reaction on it is correct or not correct. And then issues suddenly blows up and becomes much larger. There are various interests of various parties which come on board and then try to divert attention from one place to another. I mean, whoever understands basic politics will know where all this is heading. And yes, many a times they do become soft targets. So we as actors, as people from films, then shy away from giving our opinions out in public domain, thinking that yes, because your opinion is going to be on A side or B side. If it's on A side, the B side is going to attack you. If it's on B side, A side is going to attack you. So as an individual, you can't say, oh, I like it. It's like saying, नहीं मेरे को पिक्चर पसंद नहीं आई. It's okay. थोड़ी 50 लोग कैसे पसंद नहीं है तेरे पे घर के बाहर झंडे लेके चले जाएंगे, ऐसा होता नहीं है ना. तो I think opinion ठीक है, and you just have to accept and move on. Everyone has the right to say what they feel like, and that's the beauty of India.